Did you know that a simple garlic clove could be the key to a healthier life? Garlic isn't just a common kitchen spice. It's a true health ally, capable of boosting immunity, protecting your heart, aiding in weight loss, detoxifying the body, and even helping prevent certain types of cancer. But to enjoy all these benefits, it is crucial to know how to consume it properly and avoid common mistakes that can reduce its effects. The first benefit of garlic is detoxifying the body. Allicin, its main active compound, stimulates liver enzymes and helps eliminate toxins, including heavy metals, protecting organs and tissues. Studies show that workers exposed to lead reduce nearly 20% of the metal in their blood by consuming garlic regularly. The second benefit is its anti-inflammatory power. Garlic lowers inflammatory markers like TNF-A and IL-6, helping prevent chronic conditions such as arthritis and heart problems. For those suffering from constant pain, garlic can be a powerful daily ally. The third benefit is boosting immunity. Garlic stimulates immune system cells to fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Regular garlic consumers are less prone to colds, flu, and recurring infections, while also protecting cells against oxidative damage. The fourth benefit is protecting heart health. Garlic helps lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevent clot formation, improving circulation and protecting blood vessels. Studies indicate that daily consumption can reduce total cholesterol by 5 to 15%, strengthening the cardiovascular system. The fifth benefit is supporting weight loss and improving metabolism. Garlic contains inulin, a fiber that promotes healthy gut bacteria, increases satiety, aids fat burning, and helps prevent obesity. It can also boost thermogenesis, helping burn extra calories. The sixth benefit is cancer prevention. Research shows that garlic's sulfur compounds inhibit tumor cell growth and prevent the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors. Among 34 vegetables studied, garlic was the most effective at inhibiting cancer cell growth. But to truly get these effects, it's essential to prepare and consume garlic correctly. To activate allicin, crush, chop, or grate the garlic and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before consuming. Prefer it raw in salads, sauces, or add it during the last minutes of cooking. Garlic tea is also a great way to enjoy its beneficial compounds. Avoid common mistakes. Don't eat whole cloves, don't overcook it, don't consume it on an empty stomach, and stick to the recommended dose of 1-2 cloves per day. Some precautions are important. Avoid before surgery. If you use blood thinners, have low blood pressure, gastrointestinal disorders, or garlic allergies. Now that you know all the incredible benefits of garlic and how to use it correctly, it's time to incorporate it into your daily routine. Remember, garlic isn't just a spice. It is a superfood that can transform your health. Subscribe to the channel for more health tips and share this information with friends and family.